Great. Yes. Okay. So hopefully now this is also live on YouTube. And as I was saying, I meant to come to you from my other computer today, but my OpenGL drivers got screwed up on that at some point in the past, and I didn't notice. So I'm coming to you from my laptop underneath my bed. Yay! And we're going to update a Spark testing base. So what is Spark testing base? It's a testing library for Apache Spark. It's relatively popular. I think it's one of the more common ones that folks tend to use. And due to its design, however, I need to rebuild it every Spark release, which is a little unfortunate, because this depends on me remembering to do things, which has not historically been the easiest thing in the world. So let's go ahead, holding K, Spark testing base. Great, and let's go ahead and switch into live mode. Okay, oh, and I should update what we're working on. Okay, so we're going to make a new release of Spark testing base. And there's a bunch of pull requests coming into it. Okay, so this one adds Spark 2.2.2 support. Doesn't build in CI, but this is fine. So we'll go ahead and we will add this. LGTM, approve, submit. Oh, but it conflicts with the current master, so we'll probably not bother. Okay. Update Spark version to 2.4.0. Okay, cool. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So let's take a look at this. This bumps the version to 2.4.0, adds it here as version 2.4.0. Review changes. I'm going to go down, hit approve. Thanks for doing this. Been on the road to release today. So we're going to approve this change. It adds 2.4.0. What's nice is it passed CI, and that's kind of exciting. Yeah. So, ooh. After compiling for 2.12, this is probably going to need another update. Yes, that's very true. Hopefully, well, we'll go ahead. Let's go and make an issue. Sorry. New issue. Add Scala 2.12 support. Oops. Not. I don't know what the fuck this was. Yeah, okay. We used to also support 2.10, so similar logic can be used. Okay, cool. So we're going to go ahead and submit new issue. Now, that being said, did we merge? Okay, so we merged the update to 2.4. That's exciting. So we're going to go Spark testing base git branch git checkout master. Oh, git pull master. Git pull. I guess git pull origin master, sorry. But whatever, that's implicit. So let's go take a look. Scala 2.10. Okay, yeah. So what did we used to do? Okay, yeah, here, no. Okay. Here we go. So it's the cross Scala versions. That's the ticket. So we're going to go find our good friend, build.spt. And you can see, actually, these are my notes from the demo that I was making the other day for Big Data Spain. Okay. Okay. So if Spark version.value 240, we are going to want a sequence of 2.11.11 and 2. What version of? Let's go check what version Spark is built with. .12.7. Okay, so we'll pick the same version there. I don't know if this is going to build with 2.12.7, so yeah. I don't even actually remember how to cross-build for different Scala versions. It's been a long time since I had to do that. So, oh yeah, okay, it's plus compile, I think. What the? Yeah, okay. So, we'll find out if this works. I guess we should go to a branch, git checkout-b, add Scala 212 support. Clean plus compile, I think. Oh, cool. Looks like I fucked up. Line 32. Oops. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah. Reload that. Oh, yeah. Clean plus compile. Okay. So we'll see if this works. The real open question is if I have... I'm pretty sure I've done a release from this machine, so I think I have my GPG keys on it, so everything should go fine. But we'll double check that by running a publish signed, and we'll see. Oh, interesting. Oh, fuck. It's possible that Spark Components doesn't understand Scala 212. That would be unfortunate. But not overly surprising. So one of the things that we use here is Spark Components, which is part of this tool to handle Spark packages. And this is really convenient because it lets us just list this list of requirements here. However, that might not work. So one of the other things that we can talk about while we're here is that there's all of these different source versions. And this is because to make Spark Testing Base work with streaming, we have to poke out a lot of internals. And the internals change between versions, which is why this build file is an unholy nightmare. You should not have this problem, right? You should not be seeing this. If you are, that's okay, I suppose. Most projects shouldn't need to cross-compile for different versions of Spark, right? It's a sign that we're accessing the internals that we probably shouldn't be doing. Interesting. So it looks like Spark Streaming Kafka is not available in version 2.12. Oh, Spark Streaming Kafka 08. Was that dropped? Or is that just not? Oh, fudgesicles. That's not good. That's not good. We resolved the other things, right? Well, let's double check this. For a second, what I'm going to do here, just comment this out. If it's just this one component, we'll need to special case it for Scala 212. Okay, well, we'll see. We were not going to expect this to succeed. Okay, cool. So the Kafka tests fail, but none of our dependencies go away. Looks like we're going to have to make Kafka separate. Unless... Spark, Maven Central. I think there's... So we're going to look here. Kafka. Spark Streaming Kafka. 08, 010. So I think it might be... So the 010 one is the one which is... Okay. So then, let's see here. And so what we're going to do is something pretty similar. If Spark version is greater than 240. Hope this works. Clean. Or, yeah. So reload. Again. And then plus compile a second time. Okay, cool. While this is going on, I'm really curious if my OpenGL drivers got fixed. Huh, weird. Maybe I reboot? Fudgesicles. Wait, no. There is Org Apache Spark, Spark Streaming Kafka. Oh, it's 0-10. That's the ticket. Damn it. Okay. Not super happy. Okay. Well, I guess what we'll do for now, and then Scala. So for now, this build file, Scala.version. Or do we want to do that? Well, we're going to end up doing the same thing that we always do, which is a new version of everything. Oh wait, Kafka is already separate. Why is this coming from src main Kafka? Git status. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah, src main Kafka. Kafka pre 2.4. So we're gonna go src main git mv Kafka pre 2.4. So if we are version 2.40 or higher, I kind of just want to not release with 2.12 support today. So let's do that, actually. So then inside of this, let's take a look at how big this is going to be. If we just do this, if we just do this and it's going to work, and it's just I need to change my imports, it's not the end of the world. Otherwise, I think we'll save the 2.12 support, because it's going to be a pain in the ass to do. Let's go find 2.40. Let's leave a comment here. In Scala 2.12 with Spark 2.40, streaming Kafka 0.8 is no longer available. So that just yeah, okay, way too much work. Git commit, start working on Scala 2.12 support. Start working, yeah, on Scala 2.12 support. Let's make sure we're on the branch. Yeah. Okay, and so we'll make this a branch. We can come back to it later when I got some more time. I don't think there's a big rush of people trying to build stuff in a way that they couldn't use the 2.11 version. So this is fine for now. So git log. Pretty good. We should bump the version number. So we'll do this version 0.11. What else do we want to do? Some release notes. Okay. Add support for Spark 2.4. What else did we do? Git log-p. Alright, git log. Spark 2.4, 2.2.2. And 2.3.2. Okay. That's really it. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna kick off. Oh, hi Mohammed. Oh yay! I'm glad you enjoy this. Thank you. I'm going to kick off the build now, and this is going to build it for all of the different versions of Spark. And once again, the reason that we have to do this is because I access a bunch of internals. You don't normally need to rebuild your Spark application between minor versions of Spark. We do our best to maintain binary compatibility. But because I access internals and do essentially pretty questionable things with that, right? Like I extend the Spark context to get access at some of its internals. That's just sort of part of what you have to do in a testing library sometimes is poke around at the internals. So it's not unexpected, but it's not like a good practice normally. You shouldn't be doing this day to day in your application. So as we kick off our cross build, I'm going to plug it in because it's quite possible this could drain the entire battery. And yeah. So while this is running, I don't really have anything else planned. This is just going to take a long time to run, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap up and go practice guitar. Oh, I guess I could do my live stream outro deck if I had it handy. What deck is this? Now that's Big Data Spain. Oh, 20% off at Sephora coupons showing up in my Maven repo. That's dynamic retargeting is amazing, but I might take a look at some of that stuff. Okay. Let me go switch back to the full talking screen. So that's pretty much it for today. If you missed the start of it, there will be a recording on YouTube and you can watch it. This is just what's involved in making a new release of Spark Testing Base. It's relatively simple. You can see that adding Scala 2.12 support is not going to be as simple as I hoped. I'm going to have to come back and do some more work there. But that's okay. I guess I could walk through how the Perl script works. I don't really think anyone is particularly excited about seeing my 1990s Perl code, so we'll use this as a place to stop. And thank you for joining me. I'm still going to try and do my regular weekly code reviews. I am going to be in Japan and Guam not working, so I don't know what's going to happen. I know that I'm pretty burnt out. So I'm gonna dial back for a little bit. I'm still gonna do the regular weekly code reviews, but the timing is probably gonna be a little bit funky. With that, have a lovely day, everyone. I hope to see you around.